Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my June Boxyluxe, and I'm also going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I decided to do both in one video this month because I'm like super late on posting this video. By the time you guys see it, it's actually probably July 1st. I got really behind on filming, so yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got in both of those boxes for the month of June. I have on this super dramatic makeup right now. I did film a tutorial for my Instagram on this look, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. That'll be up later. I normally pre-film all those videos, but yeah, if you guys want to see this tutorial, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and also turn on my notifications on Instagram. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So we're first gonna go ahead and unbox my June Boxyluxe. BOXYCHARM is normally like $21 a month, but then you can also pay, I think it's an additional like $28. It comes out to be around $50 to get the Boxyluxe, and you get that every 3 months. So as you can see, it's just like a giant version of the regular BOXYCHARM box. They were making the Boxyluxe like a rectangle, and now it's a square. So the theme is getaway, and on the back of this big card, it has all of the products. It has their prices and everything like that. So the first thing that came in my box this month is this mini hair dryer. This is from the brand PYT, and the price of this is $85. It came in like a little like silk bag, and it also had like attachments with it. I have the diffuser attachment right here. It does have another one as well. I think it's like the flat diffuser. I was really excited to get this because I don't own like a travel size blow dryer. I've actually been using this one a lot, like more than my regular blow dryer. It is like really powerful. I was actually really surprised by this, and I do like the diffuser as well. I have really curly hair, and I've always wanted to try a diffuser, but I don't own one. So yeah, I was really excited to get this. I thought this was really exciting. I know a lot of people don't really like when we get like other items besides makeup, but I personally really like this. I thought this was awesome to get in the box. Also, I believe like last Boxyluxe, or maybe it was the one before, there was like a mini PYT straightener, and I don't think I got that. I think you could customize it, but then I missed it or something and I didn't get it. But yeah, I was really excited to get this. There were a few different color options. I believe there was like a blue and a coral. I can't remember if there was another pink version. I was kind of hoping for the coral, but I am happy with the purple. This would be like my second choice of color if I were to pick. So the next thing that I got in my box is actually something that I've always kind of wanted to purchase, but then I've never picked up for myself. This is the Tarte Tartist Pro Glow 3 palette. I believe I bought one of these, like maybe it was the first Pro Glow palette for a giveaway like a really long time ago. This retails for $45. So here are what shades are in here. So there are 2 blush shades, 2 highlight shades, and then 2 like bronzer slash contour shades. I have only swatched these, and they look like really nice. Like the highlighters look really pretty. The blush shades also look really nice and natural. Tarte has really nice blushes. So it looks like this is a matte bronzer, and then this one looks like it has a little bit of like a sheen to it. I feel like you wouldn't be able to really see like it on your face. Like it doesn't have like chunky glitter or anything like that in it. And also this does have 2 little mirrors on the sides. So yeah, I was really excited to get this in the box. I feel like this was a really nice item. The next item I'm also super excited about. I have already used this one time. This is a Touch in Sol No Problem Primer Essence. So I do love the original like No Problem primer. It's one of my favorite primers. I've only used this one, so I don't really have like a solid opinion on it, but I really like that it's like a really like thin and kind of like watery primer. So the price of this primer is $23. It says that it helps to tighten up your pores and keeps your skin silky smooth. So as you can see, it comes like in this little like squeezy tube, and then when you unscrew this little pink cap, there's like this little tiny little opening where the primer just comes out. This is like a really like lightweight primer. Like it really just feels like water, but it does definitely make your skin feel smooth. Next up is a skincare item. This is from the brand Pharmacy. This is their Honey Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This is also really exciting because I've always wanted to try products from this brand. I believe this is like an expensive brand. Yeah. So this is $58, which is super expensive. It says it's a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% AHA and BHA, you'll get a youthful looking smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. I've actually heard really good things about this, so I'm really interested in trying this out. I'm always really hesitant about trying new skincare because I'm worried about breaking out, but I'm definitely going to be trying this out. I haven't even opened it up yet, but the outer packaging feels really nice. Ooh, so here is what the bottle looks like. This feels and looks very nice. So it is just like a little pump style style bottle. I'm gonna pump a little bit out on my hand. So this has no mineral oil. It says it's cruelty-free, paraben-free. It says synthetic fragrance-free. So I'm assuming the fragrance is just from like the ingredients. Yeah, it definitely smells like oil. It smells like vegetable oil actually. So I just put that on my hand and my hand feels like really smooth already. So yeah, I'm really curious about trying this out. If you guys have tried this and you like it, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you have like sensitive skin, let me know if it's irritated your skin. So the next thing that we got in our box is a lip gloss, and this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I was really happy to get this in my box because I love Kristen Dominique. This is her makeup brand. So this is one of the Lemonade lip glosses. The price of this is $17. I actually really like the shade that I got. It's like a peachy pink. Oh my god. This smells so good. And then here is what it looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit on actually. That seriously smells amazing. So the last makeup item in the box is from Trestique, I believe is how you say it. And this is a mascara. This looks super funky. I've seen people using this in Instagram videos. The price of this is $25. So basically this is like a mascara and then it has an eyelash curler on the top. I feel like this is a little bit like gimmicky. I just don't see myself using this. So I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. I have so many mascaras and I just really don't see myself using this. I feel like some people thought it was really cool and liked it, but for me, I'm really just not like super into this. So the next thing that I got in my box is actually another skincare item, and this is from the brand Dr. Brandt. This is their Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. I'm really excited about this. I'm about to be out of both my Published Choice and my Drunk Elephant Cleanser, and I really want to try some new ones just because I have some other ones. Like I have some Pixie ones that I need to try out that I got in PR. I also have the Glam Glow one that I got in my last BOXYCHARM. I've only used it a couple of times. So I don't really have like an opinion on that one yet. And I also really want to try this one out. I have read good things about this one. The next thing that I got is like a facial mist. This is from the brand Skin & Co. This is their Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. It says it has a radiant dew finish. The price of this is $35. It says it helps to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. It says it encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. I have used this a couple of times to set my makeup, and I really like the way that it looked. I feel like it made my skin look nice and dewy, kind of melted all of like the powders together. It did have like a strong fragrance, if I remember correctly. I feel like it almost kind of smelled like peppermint, which I'm not the biggest fan of like the peppermint scent, but I do like this product. And then the last thing that I got in my Boxyluxe is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This is a styling and finishing spray, and the price of this is $29. I'm probably gonna put this in a giveaway just because I don't see myself using it, but it is like a full-size product. I have heard really good things about Living Proof, so I thought this was a nice thing to get in the box. So that is everything that I got in my Boxyluxe for the month of June. I honestly feel like this is probably the best Boxyluxe that I've ever gotten. There are only 2 products this time that I'm not gonna be keeping, and I normally put like a couple of products in a giveaway. So I'm actually really liking all of the other products that I got in my box this month. I feel like they really killed it this month. So the total value of my box this month was $352. That's crazy, especially when you only pay $50 for this box. So now we're gonna go ahead and unbox my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. All right, so here is what my box looks like. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is like an upgraded version of the regular Ipsy bag. The regular Ipsy bag is like $10, and this one I believe is $25. So the theme this month is Block Party, and the Ipsy one comes like with a little like pull-out pamphlet of all of the products. So the first thing that I got in my box is this Tetris and Ipsy Game On eyeshadow palette. Here is what the outer packaging looks like. I don't think I'm even gonna take the plastic off because I'm probably not gonna keep this, but here are what the shades look like. This is very confusing to me because the palette is like really colorful, but then when you open it up, these are not colorful shades at all. They do look pretty, but I'm probably not gonna ever use this, so I'll probably just put this in a giveaway. So the price of the palette is $24. It says that they have partnered with the iconic game Tetris to create a limited edition eyeshadow palette. Interesting. So the next thing that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is this Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin Rich Hydration Cream. I'm actually super excited about this. Sunday Riley is like a skincare brand that they do sell at Sephora. They have really expensive products. So the price of this moisturizer is $65, and it says it's infused with ultra potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. I'm actually really excited about this because I do feel like vitamin C helps my skin so much. I'm definitely going to start using this after I finish off my It Cosmetics moisturizer, which I got in a Boxyluxe. Next up, I got this little liquid lipstick trio. This is the Jolie, I think is the brand, Luxe Cream Mattes lipstick set. So it has 3 shades in it. It looks like it has like a bright red, and then these two look like both like purple and like mauve-y shades. It says the price of this trio is $54. That's really expensive. I've never even heard of this brand before. I thought this was going to be like a really cheap product. I'm surprised that it's that expensive. So the next thing that I got in my box is this mascara. This is from the brand Pure. This is their Big Look mascara, and the price of it is $21. I thought this was nice to get just because Pure Cosmetics is like a high-end brand. And then the last thing that came in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is from the brand Suva Beauty. This is their Hydra liner, and then it also came like with a little brush, but I used the brush the other day and I have no idea where it is. I really liked the brush a lot. Like, it's a super fine point like eyeliner brush. So I thought this was like a gel eyeliner, but what the? It says that this is an intensely pigmented water activated cake eyeliner. It says it's opaque, fast drying, smudge proof, transfer resistant. It says activate using a wet makeup brush, create the perfect winged liner. So this is really interesting. I'll have to definitely test this out for you guys. I have never used an eyeliner like this. I've seen other people use eyeliners like this, but I've never actually tried one out. So the total value of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month was $190. Which is a pretty good value, but I do feel like some of these things definitely have like way overpriced values, especially like the liquid lipstick set. Overall, I'm not really impressed this month with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The only thing that I'm actually really excited about is the Sunday Riley moisturizer. Everything else was just kind of like meh. There's nothing that I'm super like excited about, so yeah. I haven't really had like an exciting Ipsy Glam Bag Plus month yet. I've been getting this for maybe like 2 or 3 months, and I haven't really like had a month where I was like, wow, they're such good products. Like, I feel like this is more expensive than the regular BOXYCHARM is, because BOXYCHARM is regularly $21 and this one's $25, and I feel like BOXYCHARM always kills it and they have way better products, but that's just my opinion. I have seen some people's videos from like months ago with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and they were getting like a lot of really nice products. That's why I wanted to sign up, but I haven't had a really good month yet, so maybe next month. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below if you guys get Ipsy or BOXYCHARM with what you guys got in your boxes this month. I'm gonna have all of the products that I got in my boxes linked in my description box below if you guys want to check them out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.